Welcome. In this video, we'll explore what Kubernetes is, why it matters for modern cloud workloads, and the key components that make it work. We'll walk through its core architecture and show you essential kubectl commands to inspect a cluster. By the end, you'll understand the basics and be ready to dive deeper. Running containers on their own quickly becomes chaotic as you scale. Without a central control plane, you can't reliably manage placement, scaling, or health of your services. Kubernetes solves these challenges by providing automated orchestration, self-healing, and declarative management. Kubernetes is built around a control plane and worker nodes. The API server, scheduler, controller manager, and X store the desired state, while kubelet and kubeproxy run on each node to enforce it. Together, they form a resilient system that schedules pods, monitors health, and handles networking. Now let's see Kubernetes in action. We'll run kubectl cluster info to view the control plane endpoint, kubectl get nodes to list the worker machines, and kubectl get pods all namespaces to see every pod across the cluster. These commands give you immediate insight into the cluster's health and workload distribution. When using Kubernetes, always keep your manifest declarative and version controlled. Avoid running privileged containers unless necessary, and set resource requests and limits to prevent noisy neighbors. Monitor your cluster with health checks and be cautious with default namespace usage to keep environments isolated. We've covered why Kubernetes exists, its main architecture, and demonstrated key kubectl commands along with best practice tips. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more deep dives, like the video, and check the description for links to official docs and our playlist. Thanks for watching.